In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a schedule in ClickUp. This powerful project management tool is incredibly helpful for organizing your time and tasks effectively. So let's dive right in and learn how to create your very own schedule in ClickUp, step by step. First, let's navigate to your workspace in ClickUp by going to your designated space. A space in ClickUp is essentially a broad category where all your projects and tasks are organized. Whether you're managing multiple tasks for a large project or keeping things simple, spaces help you systematically structure your time. So, go ahead and open the space you want to work within. Once inside your selected space, look for the list view. ClickUp offers various views to manage your tasks, and the list view provides a straightforward way to see everything in a linear format. Clicking on List will give you a clear overview of your tasks and projects, making it easier to see what needs scheduling. Now, the next step is to select a specific task you want to create a schedule for. On your list, go ahead and click on the task that you have in mind. This will open up the task details, exposing all the various aspects you might want to manage, adjust, or edit. This detail view is where you can delve deeper into the specifics of your task. Once you're inside the task details, look for the option labeled Select Dates. This is your gateway to scheduling your task in ClickUp. Click on Select Dates and you'll see a calendar interface pop up. Here, you can choose the start date and due date for your task. Setting these dates will allow you to keep track of deadlines, allocate your time efficiently, and ensure that you stay on top of your workload. And there you have it. You've effectively scheduled a task in ClickUp, turning chaos into order with just a few clicks. Remember, the key to mastering ClickUp, or any organizational tool for that matter, is consistent practice and exploration. Spend some time navigating through different settings and views. There are many additional features in ClickUp that you may find beneficial as you become more familiar with the platform. By integrating scheduling into your ClickUp tasks, you're elevating your productivity levels, ensuring that you maintain comprehensive oversight of all your ongoing projects, and never miss a deadline again. So, take some time today to explore more of ClickUp's features, and happy scheduling. Thank you for watching this tutorial on creating a schedule in ClickUp. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more practical tips and tutorials. Stay organized and have a great day.